I'm coming down that same little stretch. That spiker was just up that way. Working down through here, happened to look at the fence crossing, and right there at the base of that tree looks like a decent one. Almost missed it. That's a nice antler. That's sweet. That one's likely a match to one that I have, I would assume. There's a spike. Heck yeah, we're gonna keep rolling. I'm just on my way out, about, I don't know, I'm 100 yards from the truck, but I gotta walk out around the field there. Checking all these fence crossings. Look right there. One more spiker. Looks pretty fresh too. Camera, there we go. Yep, that's a fresh one. Sweet. Well, we're done. That makes 6 for the day. That's my best day so far this year, and wish overall like that. But I'll see you guys on the next one.